Evil. Evil. More evil. There you go. Whoop, whoop. There you go. Have fun living after that one, sucker. A little extra for good measure. These things are everywhere. Planting tomatoes and mixing up the fertilizer for it. And basically you can get the combo here, bone and blood meal. I think it's cheaper if you have them separate and then mix them. This is just more convenient and quicker at the moment. And then some Epsom salt. So pretty much, I think people do it differently, but yeah, just this is already mixed for you. We have my dad mixes it individually. Usually that's how we do it every year, and it'll be like, I can't remember, 2 parts blood meal, 4 parts bone meal. I may have those backwards. And then 1 part of salt, and usually we'll do 1 part oyster shells. So here we go. And then we also have some, however you say this, diatomaceous earth, and it's basically kills roly-polies. Because after you plant them, we have a bunch of roly-polies. So after we plant them, we spread a good amount of this around the base of the tomato plant every few days, and it keeps them away. Otherwise, they'll eat the roots up, or not the roots, the stems. All right, here's my setup, and I dug a hole here, and it's basically you need to get the whole container under the surface of the ground. You can get pretty deep with them. So here is the mixture, and we're just gonna put it in the very bottom. Don't breathe it in; it will definitely upset your lungs. And then I'm running out of tomatoes, so these are my wimpiest ones. And easiest way to get these out, basically put your fingers around the stem and tip it upside down. I'm gonna use both hands, so hold on. And to get it out, it's easier. You kind of squeeze the sides and it'll kind of pop out. Be very careful with the tomato, obviously, as I almost broke it. And then you can kind of plop it in there. I just totally missed that on the camera, didn't I? And make sure the stem is supported pretty good. This is a lot harder with one hand. Try not to squish any of the leaves down. And I usually like to make it so it's kind of, you know, when the water, here's the drip line, when the water's on it, it's going to, the water will stay there because it's kind of a, you know, dip down a little bit. Sometimes if you put a big dome, the water just kind of runs away and it doesn't actually get on the, or, you know, around the plant. And then we'll do the diatomaceous earth when it's done watering that way, because it has to be dry powder for it to kill the roly-polies. Roly-polies are evil. They'll basically just eat at the base of the plant and kill them pretty quickly if you don't watch it every day.